welcome to my channel That Look You Love. My name is Dhriti and in today's video I'm going to be showing you this makeup look that I have on here. This is a Valentine's makeup look. It's a very wearable makeup look, so any of y'all can try this out. It's easy to do as well. And if you haven't subscribed as yet, then don't forget to subscribe and share the love over here on this channel. Hit the bell button next to the subscribe button as well, so you're informed every time I upload a new video. Now let's get started. I'm starting off with a skin smoothing primer. This is by the brand Sistar. After that, I'm using a setting spray from the same brand and I really love these two products. I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty Foundation in the shade 230 today, and I'm going to apply this with my beauty blender. Just blend it all over my skin. This is quite full coverage, so I didn't need 2 coats of it. 1 coat was enough. You can go in with any foundation you like. The next thing I'm going to go in with is concealer. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade medium. This is a really nice concealer for just a casual event. It has good coverage, yet it's not too heavy. I'm going to set my T-zone mainly with this CoverGirl Outlast All Day setting powder, and I'm using a fluffy brush to do so. I'm concentrating most of the powder in my T-zone, and I'm also applying a little bit on the rest of my face. Next, I'm going with a bronzer. This is by MAC. It's in the shade Equilibrium, and this is a really warm tone bronzer. I love it. I'm not going to do any harsh contouring because we want this look to be nice and pretty and kind of natural, you can say, but yet make an impact. So no harsh lines and just blend it all really well. I'm contouring my jawline, my cheekbones, a little bit on my nose and my forehead as well. I'm going to move on to my eyes. I'm using all MAC eyeshadows. This is in the shade Girly. So these are separate eyeshadows that you can purchase and create your custom palette. I'm going to be applying this with a fluffy brush in my crease. After that, I'm going in with Deep Damson. This is a darker shade and I'm basically using pink undertones. So you can use any eyeshadow you like, but this is the look that I'm going for. So with a fluffy brush again, I'm just going to very lightly put this on my outer corner and also in my crease. So the way to do this well is just to keep adding eyeshadow, blending it out, adding eyeshadow, blending it out. Don't try to take a dark color all in once, and when you feel it blended out well, you can move to the next. I'm going in with a shimmer shade called Gleam, and this is a slight gold undertone, but it doesn't really look gold as you can see, so it's like a rose gold, and this is perfect for a Valentine's look. So on my lid and my brow bone, I'm also putting the dark eyeshadow in my lower lash line, and after that I'm going to highlight my tear duct and also slightly my brow bone. Next, I'm going to do a winged eyeliner. I'm using this one by Sistar again, and this is a really thick eyeliner, but it's super bold and intense black, so you can use any eyeliner you like. But this look paired with the winged eyeliner looks great. A Valentine's look calls for fluttery eyelashes, and so I'm going to go in with some mascara on my lower lashes and also on my top lashes. After that, I'm going to put some fake lashes, and these are by Ardell. And the glue is by Duo. You want to wait 30 to 40 seconds before you apply the lashes on your eyes. Let the glue dry a little and then apply the lashes on your eyes so it sticks well. For my brows, I'm going in with the Goof Proof Brow Pencil by Benefit, and this also has a spoolie on the other side. So I'm just going to fill in my brows and shape it well. I'm also going to add some white kajal in my waterline. This makes your eyes look bigger. I always love to do this for Valentine's looks. Going back to the face, I'm using Pinch Peach. This is a blush on by MAC, and I'm putting that with a fluffy brush on the apples of my cheek. For my highlighter, I'm going in with this Nika highlighter. It's called 24K Glam, and I'm using the golden undertone one. I'm putting that on the high points of my face. The good thing about this highlighter is you can build it up if you like to glam up. My highlight was really giving me the feels. It was glowing so hard. For my lips, I'm going in with this shade by MAC. It's a lip liner called In Anticipation, and it's a really pretty pink. This is a little lighter than what I usually like, but I'm going to top this up with another lipstick and make it a little darker. So I'm using the lip liner to just shape my lips and fill them up as well. So this way my lipstick lasts longer. Using this MAC lipstick palette, I'm going in with this pink shade over here, which is slightly darker, and I'm going to top my lips with this. The last step is to set all the powders on your face with the setting spray and you're ready.